Guys, let's try this problem right here. Here this question is asking find g prime of x where g of x is equal to integration cos x to x cube t square plus 4 power 1 over 3 dt. Now if you notice we have cos x and x cube. We have two functions that is related to x. So in order to do the fundamental theorem of calculus, we have to have only one of the x value, right? So here we have two. So in this kind of situation, what we have to do is we have to pick up a value in between. For example, you can choose 0 or any number, it doesn't matter. So if you choose 0, the expression is going to be like this. G of x is going to be equivalent to integration cos x x cube, not x cube. I'm picking up 0 in between, so we are going to have 0 right here, and then we are going to have t square plus 4 power 1 over 3 dt plus integration 0 to x cube t square plus 4 power 1 over 3 dt. Now we have only one x term, so this is the correct way. But also another thing, like we cannot have this x function in the lower limits of integration, so we have to bring this one to upper limits of integration. What's going to happen is if we bring this one to upper limits of integration, we are going to have a negative in front, so we have to put a negative in front. So this is going to be negative integration 0 to cos x t square plus 4 power 1 over 3 dt plus integration 0 to x cube t square plus 4 power 1 over 3 dt. Now we have everything in upper side, right? Now all we have to do is plug this function instead of t. We have to switch this one instead of t, and that's going to be the derivative. But when we have x, this is the only thing we have to do. But when we have something else, for example, here we have cos x and here we have x cube. So if you have anything other than x, you have to find derivative and multiply in front. Actually, if we have x also, we are doing the same thing because the derivative of x is going to be just 1. So we are multiplying 1 by 1, but we don't show it because it's unnecessary, right? If it's 1, it's not going to change anything. But in this kind of things, we have to find the derivative and multiply. So let's see what we are going to have. So g prime x, that's what we are trying to find. G prime x, that's going to be simply substitute this function instead of t. So this is going to be cos square t, because I plug cos and that's square. So cos square x actually. Cos square x plus 4 power 1 over 3. Now we have to multiply this one by its derivative. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, right? Already we have a minus sign in front. So minus, and this minus sin x makes this one plus. So we are going to have a sin x right here. Sin x, and that's it. So that's going to be the derivative of this part. Now we have another part right here. So here also same thing, like we have to plug this x cube instead of t. So x cube square, so that's going to be x power 6 plus 4 power 1 over 3, and then we have to multiply by this derivative of this one. Derivative of this one is 3x square, so we have to multiply this one by 3x square, and that's it. That's going to be the derivative of this function, this expression. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.